you go. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Captain Now. I forgot my hat. Unfortunately, I gotta have David's hat. David, you're gonna help me hold this? Hold that. Yeah, there you go. Me and David are gonna hold the cooler. But we're here at the Fort De Soto boat ramp. And the only reason I am here is really to take David away from his mom, because she's worked the night shift. And we're gonna go use the restroom first, then we're gonna go on the pier. I got ice in here, and hopefully we catch 2 big fishes right away, and then we could go swimming. Come, David. I gotta go to the bathroom right here. Come, run. We're not going to the water yet. Come on. So me and David are about to go to everybody's spot. As you can see with this one, I have the wake mullet from Salt Strong and the mulligan from Salt Strong. And I'm gonna try those first, and if they don't work, I'm gonna try the grunts from, I got a whole new thing of grunts from Gulp. And if I don't catch anything with that, I mean, I caught mango snappers with the grunts, so. These bridges look so much higher up in videos. And me and Dave are gonna go swimming after this. There's people in the water. I'm about to just send them to the people in the water. This is my first time to the pier. I've been to the boat ramp once. Me and my wife went to Eggman Island. And because it's windy, I'm going to set up the microphone. What up, man? How you doing?
It's fit. We just caught one.
What'd you caught?
A snook. I didn't catch it. My uncle.
Oh, from underneath the bridge?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have to go underneath the bridge. We're gonna go on top of the pier first, and then we're gonna try underneath the pier. More than likely we'll head up there. Cause I gotta
10 minutes.
I gotta get this man some swimming time. He loves the water.
I'm right. Yeah, I'm right.
So he needs, but we're not going there. We're gonna go fish first.
I'm taking this fish home in a minute.
Oh, you can't take the snook home.
Why you say that?
It's closed season.
For real, for real?
Yes.
For real, for real?
I'm not lying. That's why a lot of people are mad, because they keep catching.
They don't know what hurt them, no?
I would.
Wait, let's go by the rules.
I'm gonna edit that off my video.
when does season start or end?
I don't know. I just know it ended. If you go to the YouTube app, go to an app called Fish Rules.
I'll check it out. Thank you.
Check it out, because if you take that and they find it, you get fined.
Yeah.
You know, but if you say I didn't know, I thought they were in season, I'll put them back. My bag, you might be okay.
Right.
Stop. What are you doing? Let him go. Oh, you got to make damn pictures.
Let him go. I wish I had that at least. One that I could sit on. The water is kind of murky, but it was just storming over here. I'll show you guys that in a different video. Oh, you could go down there and fish? Everybody's leaving because it's too hot. Came at the wrong time. Oh yeah. You could fish down there too, or no? Oh, okay, I'm seeing stuff then.
Oh, well, I don't know. It's like, I didn't even go that far.
Yeah, I didn't even try, so. Oh, there's access right here, but I don't know if I'm gonna go. Oh no, you can't fish down there, that's a ferry mount. Yeah, I wouldn't do it. Not again. Everybody's using their own special bait, and everybody's catching something. I'm not using any bait, I might not catch anything. Let me stop using my Salt Strong stuff. Look at all these young folks out here. Come here, David. Don't be trying to climb. We're gonna go over there where the pelicans at, because that's where the fish is at. I got this cooler right here full of ice and water. That's it. And, oh yeah, and it's cereal now. Yep. You catch anything yet?
No, we saw like 2, right?
2 what?
Whiting.
Okay.
One was got to me right over here.
So, yeah. Are you using the paddle tail too? No, you're looking at a treble hook. Oh, that's a jig, right?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of those like that in person. Come on, David, hurry up. He's trying to catch.
You know, Academy Sports, right?
No, I don't know anything out here.
Academy Sports.
I don't know where that's at. I live in Spring Hill. I don't know anything around here. Yeah, I'm doing videos, pretending I know how to fish.
Now I'm watching your shirt.
Oh, big Knicks fan, baby, big Knicks fan. You know what I'm saying?
You from up north?
I'm from Massachusetts, but I was born in the capital, Puerto Rico, Bronx, New York.
Okay, that's not bad.
Where you from, man?
Trinidad, but you still
Trinidad? Oh, Billy Ocean over here. We got Billy Ocean. Fortunately, that bird want to come after his lures, Like, you think fish are dumb, birds are dumber.
It's happened.
You want some water? Oh, I didn't put your cereal in there, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, give me like 7 more casts and maybe.
Cereal? A cereal?
So this is not this is not great. I should have casted it the other way. The cereal's in the car, buddy. I'm sorry, my bag. We're gonna get it. I'm doing 30-pound test. Oh, watch out, David. 30-pound test and man, I didn't want to. This pole is so heavy. My buddy gave it to me. It's so heavy. David, come here. I don't like fishing off the pier already. Somebody caught a snook down there. I have no idea where that went. Well, let's let the water drag it. Give it some line. Let's see. It's right there, literally right there. Let's let it drag. Let's see. Let's see if it goes. I can't cast with this. This is like really heavy. It's for like dropping. So, Shimano. Like, I'm just gonna put a grunt on the other line. Yeah, I think that will give me some stuff. Then I'm gonna take David swimming because that's what I promised him. Yep. It looks amazing in the water. Let's bring it back up and try to cast it better. This fishing pole is very heavy. If I had it on the other fishing pole, this would be like gone. Oh, that didn't work because this, yeah. When Daddy catches the huge fish, I don't even know where my line went. Did I cross you on accident? I think I crossed you, man. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I tried to throw it that way and the wind took it that way. This is another reason why I don't fish on, did I get, am I out? I don't like to fish out here. Not because of people here, because I suck at casting. I thought there was a fish following it, but nothing's following it. You almost want to throw it the other way now? Let's try it one more time the other way, then I'm gonna change to grunts and a different hook. Best cast ever. I took almost all my muscles out. I would let that line go, but as you can see, oh, that's okay, leave it, let it go. On my back, I also have my backpack, which I forget that I have. Look at it, all these little fishes, they're not getting eaten, but mine ain't gonna get eaten either. Cause I'm gonna bring it up, and then I'm gonna throw the grunt down. David, don't touch it. Buddy, it has, oh, look at this. This is another reason why.
I'm swimming.
No, give me a couple of minutes, man. We're gonna go swimming, I promise. Besides, it's gonna be light till like 8 o'clock. All right, we're done with this. We're gonna take off my back. Leave that alone before you cut yourself or stab yourself with the hook, man. 35 minutes later, I finally got the hook on. I got I got 2 of these actually, brand new. Like I said, these are the ones that catch everything. For me, the hook is probably too big, but I'm going after bigger fish anyway. But all those little fish down there are gonna probably eat this. I don't know. This is the hooks, and this is the grunts. Sometimes I try to make it real, sometimes I just try to put it on. This time I'm just gonna try to put it on. I'm not worried about it. Watch, I'm about to catch all the fish and everybody gonna be mad because of grunts. All right, buddy, let me cast this a few times and then after I catch this giant, whatever I'm gonna catch. Oh, that's a heavy weight. Why did I keep going that way? I'm trying to aim that way. I need to, but it's going down there. I should have just dropped it. Cause you know, let's bring that. So this is the bait that always catches me and stuff besides shrimp.
2 fish. And 3 fish.
Yep, 17 fish. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17. So this fish is right there where he's at. Yeah, this guy's not messing around. He said, I got shrimp and I gotta wait. Watch out the water, that's what that one. All right. What a cast. Now it's just gonna go down anyway as I bring it in. So maybe it'll catch something. 1, 2, 3. All that right there is fishes jumping out the water. All that, billions of fishes. I'm surprised I ain't catch one yet, especially with the gulp. They're hitting it weird. I think it's getting hit, but just it feels weird how they hit it here. Mm-hmm. David's being really good. You're a really good kid, buddy. Oh, I got a thump. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. They're gonna come and get it. Oh, there's the little ones down there probably biting it right now. Got thumped. They got bites. They bit it finally. I'm surprised you haven't caught 2 fish with that 1 shrimp.
I thought was like a small, like a baby catfish, and I wasn't.
Oh. All right. Tight lines. It be feeling. Sometimes it feels like they're fishing. Look at all these little fishes are jumping. You can see. Hopefully I could zoom in slow motion that. And start singing slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. See, now I'm underneath the bridge though. That's the one thing I don't like. Look, that's a crab. There's a crab right there. You could do that, but for what? Mm-hmm. Where's that string at? I feel like I'm getting bit right here. There's something biting on it. And it ain't a pelican. Oh, it might be in the ground. I'm doing that because something's happening there. I'm going too far underneath the bridge to like that. All right, David, I'm gonna turn off the camera, but you're gonna reel it in before I turn off the camera. Come on, let's reel it in. Hold it, reel it. Good job, buddy, good job. Go ahead, keep doing it. Just keep reeling it. Keep doing this. Bang, 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 bang. Let's just give it that. And if a big fish come on, you're landing it, because you got the magic. You got the touch. Din, 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 din. Oh. You got the power. I think I got stuck in the bottom, actually. Might put that big mulligan back out. Let me see. You had the touch. Din, din. Look at this. They're just feeding time. I just don't know what to. Oh, you saw that? I had something on it. Oh. Every time I come around here, something's biting me like that.
No, my fishing.
Yeah, there's a bunch of fishes right there. Look. You see them? They're even jumping out the water. You go swimming, yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
All right, you bringing me my backpack so we could go? Is that what you're doing? Yeah, okay, let's go. David David's happy he's in the water. Come, give me a hand. Stay in the water. I think there's fish underneath. I can't see nothing, but the camera might. See the camera? David! David is having the time of his life.